What's going on, guys? Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. I know I haven't uploaded in like 2 days, but let me explain. So I changed my setup, as you guys can tell. I got a new desk, or basically I actually bought some countertops and put some legs on them. So it was a whole project. Had to drive like 2 hours to get the countertops. I know it's none of your guys' concern or whatever, but I just want to let you know why I haven't uploaded in 2 days. But now we're back on the grind. And I also want to thank you guys because now I'm finally partnered with YouTube and now my channel is monetized, and that is only thanks to all of you guys who have joined the family and smashed that like button. If you guys would like to support me even further so I can grow even more and more, if you have not already, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. So today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 cryptocurrencies that have basically mimicked the same thing that Shiba Inu has currently done already, and 2 of them actually are very, very similar because they have incorporated a swap technology. So with that being said, let's get right into the information, because I know that the market has basically been on fire lately and it's led a lot of people to panic and even sell a lot because we see that the price of Shib has fallen quite a bit, but that has given us also another buying opportunity, which we will be on the road to 1 billion. The next episode will be out very, very, very soon. So make sure to keep an eye out for that so that you don't miss that upload.
Real quick, guys, I just wanted to go over kind of what the overall market has been looking like because we have gone through a downtrend. Before we hop into the video, like I said, just want to check this out real quick and just show key levels and kind of just like what the overall market is looking like in total. So Bitcoin doesn't look too bad on the day. It has rallied quite well, actually. Same thing with Ethereum. We've seen the same thing with Doge. But Shib, we've kind of seen an uptrend, but more of like a consolidation, but still nevertheless a big uptrend ever since we hit those lower key levels, which is funny because my key level actually matches up with that quite well. So like if we take a step back and look at the 30-minute chart, key level looks very good, bouncing off this great buying opportunity. And a little teaser, I did maybe make a purchase to push us forward in our road to 1 billion Shib coins. So be ready for that video to drop very soon. But anyhow, we're seeing it approach this bottom key level, and what should happen soon is that we'll see it reverse and go up to the other key level, if not stop at like a midpoint around here. So we can expect at least it to go to around this, 1 mark or 10 mark, however you guys call it. I know almost nobody says like 0.00000 every single time, but yeah, if we draw a mid layer here, because that's normally how these cryptocurrencies and just like fundamental, or not fundamental analysis, what is it called? Technical analysis kind of works. Is that there's a top level, bottom level, and then a mid key area. So if it does what it's supposed to, usually we'll probably see it either go here and either go past it, or here and kind of stop. So probably around this 9, 9.5, maybe even 10 mark, or even up all the way to 12 resistance. So looking pretty decent. Bitcoin's looking pretty decent as well. We're seeing the same type of situation where we have our top key level, bottom key level, and mid layer. Right now it's inside the mid layer, so real quick I'll just box this up so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. I kind of don't like this part about TradingView. I feel like there could be a better way to draw triangle, or not triangles, this is not a triangle, squares. But see, because like if I no, I'm not going to do that. So anyhow, we got a key level across in the mid section as well, which is where it's kind of at right now. So we see top level, bottom level, and then mid layer. And we're kind of seeing more of a downtrend. We're not seeing like those upper key levels or upper resistance levels are kind of getting lower and lower. But this big surge right here, we haven't seen something like this since all the way back here on the 21st of May. So it's been about 2 weeks since we've seen a push like this strong. So hopefully that is a good sign. It means we're going to continue to go up and up and up. That would be really awesome. But that's kind of just the overview on what the market's looking like and what Shib is doing currently.
The first 2 cryptocurrencies that I want to talk about that I was just referencing was Pancake Swap and Uniswap. Both of those cryptocurrencies were trading at a very low rate at the time before they dropped their swap technology and became swap coins. And now that Shib is about to do the same, it's starting at a low point, but now it's gonna skyrocket. And I know this because you look at the 2 before, and they both just about 10x'd from their original price. I'm gonna throw screenshots up on the screen showing Uniswap first, and it's basically just gonna be showing how when its Uniswap dropped, like the full swap technology, like it's always used like Ethereum and stuff like that, but when it was able to swap everything, it went from $3 all the way up to $30+. So that's an over 10x because it went to 30, pulled back a little bit, and went even further. So that's a 10x on there. Now let's hop over to Pancake Swap. Pancake Swap was very, very, very similar. With Pancake Swap, you can see that at the beginning it was trading at about like 5 cents, 6 cents. Then early January it started to creep up a little bit into like the dollar range. And then as it dropped and it was allowed to be used everywhere, with every crypto basically being able to go in and out and transition and swap, it allowed this price to push up to nearly $20. That is from 6 cents all the way up to $20. That is insane. That's like 30x. So if there's a 30x possibility with that, and then also, wait a minute, it pulled back a little bit and then went all the way up to $40. That is like a 80x or 60x. It's absolutely insane. So by showing that, right, as soon as those cryptocurrencies established the same thing, right? They established their swap technology. They don't even have like staking and all that stuff. It's just straight up swap technology. Shib is about to drop the same swap technology, if not better. On top of that, it's being endorsed by a bunch of different things that I'm going to be talking about in the next couple videos. But on top of being endorsed and having swap technology, it also has a staking system and a whole ecosystem behind it. It's more popular than both of those cryptocurrencies. That's absolutely insane. If it goes the same as these ones did, it has at least a 10x potential, and I think even more than that, honestly, because its starting point, like, it's much higher than what they were at that range. Like right now we're at like 32, I think, on market cap. When they started taking off, they were way lower than that. They weren't even close, and now they're like top 20 cryptocurrencies when it comes to market cap. Just off those last two cryptocurrencies alone, I'm expecting at least a 10x when Shiba Swap drops, as long as the overall market isn't pulling back and going crazy, of course. The last but not least cryptocurrency that I want to talk about doesn't have to do with swap technology, but is following, like Shib is following a similar trend to what this cryptocurrency has done. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you might have seen it on forums or stuff like that, but it's Dogecoin. Dogecoin had a similar pattern at the beginning and then took off. It went up, then down, up, then down, and then just absolutely took off. We can actually hop over to the charts and I can analyze it in another video. If you guys would be interested in that, let me know, to compare basically Shiba Inu to Doge on the charts, but also like their infrastructure and just how they kind of match up together. Just as the kind of overall just view of it by me and Twitter users and Reddit users and people like that, lots of people see a very similar trajectory from Shib to Doge, but Shib is actually growing much faster than Doge did at the time, and it's outpacing it, which I've mentioned in videos before. But I'll fully break down that in another video. Like I said, drop me a comment, let me know if you guys want to see that, and I'll make that video kind of like a Doge versus Shib comparison and where I think it's going to go. That's kind of all for today's video. I want to remind you guys that there are people in the comments impersonating me, trying to get you guys to call them or text them on WhatsApp and different things like that. So if someone reaches out to you and tries to get you to contact them directly, do not join them or text them or call them or anything. Just leave them alone and just report them. I'm going to be dropping a Discord very, very soon, and I'm going to be finishing it up tonight. So tomorrow, I guarantee you, I will have a Discord ready and linked down below and have an announcement for it, and it's going to be absolutely awesome. So if you guys are looking forward to that, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload from myself, and be ready to join the Discord and the community tomorrow, because it's going to be awesome and you guys are going to be able to interact with me and just other people in the community, and also like give me video ideas, call out cryptocurrencies and stocks, and just talk about finance if you don't have a place to talk about that currently. Alright, I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose. Peace. Man, I felt like rusty. Ugh. 2 days off and this is what happens.